Words can break you or build you into a legend. Today's story will change how you speak forever. Once upon a time, 10 frogs were hopping through a forest. Suddenly, 5 frogs fell into a deep pit. The rest stood outside, started yelling, "You can't do it, waste of time, it is impossible." But one frog keep on trying, and finally come out. Everybody was shocked. How did he do it? Because he was a deaf. He thought everyone was encouraging him, and that belief made him unstoppable. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬಿರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ಸೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಿದ್ದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.